Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share high protein instant dosa recipe good for all age groups. This dosa can be used for breakfast, lunch or dinner. With the simple ingredients, this dosa is highly nutritious and delicious and easy to prepare. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of green gram or moong, or it is also called as mudga in Sanskrit. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 12 hours or overnight. After soaking, you can see tiny sprouts. According to Ayurveda, green gram or mudga is good rejuvenator. It is used as both nutritional food and herbal medicine in many diseases. It balances kapha and pitta. It is cold in nature. Green gram is rich source of protein, fiber, manganese, magnesium, zinc, vitamin B complex, phosphorus, iron, copper, potassium, folate and selenium. Sprout contains low calories, more free amino acids and antioxidants than unsprouted one. High antioxidants in this sprout reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases, diabetes and certain types of cancers. Few antioxidants in moong sprout may prevent heat stroke. Antioxidants lower bad or LDL cholesterol level and protect heart. Rich potassium, magnesium and fiber helps to maintain blood pressure in normalcy. Soluble fiber in green gram sprout aids in digestion. In Ayurveda, green gram soup is used as post-Panchakarma diet to strengthen the digestive fire. Carbohydrate in moong beans are less likely to cause flatulence than other legumes. High fiber, protein and antioxidants in this green gram sprout lower blood sugar level and helps insulin to work more efficiently. High fiber and protein promotes weight loss by suppressing hunger. Folate, iron and protein in this sprout helps to support healthy pregnancy. Transfer it to blending jar. Add green chilies according to your tolerance. Here I have used wild green chilies and 1 inch size ginger, 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Add little water and grind it to form smooth paste. Transfer it to a bowl. Add powdered rock salt to taste. Mix well. This dosa does not require any fermentation. Ginger and cumin seeds helps to reduce flatulence. Heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. Apply gingerly oil. Cast iron tawa helps for the better absorption of iron. Take 1 ladle full of batter. Spread as thin as possible. Cover the lid and cook for 1 minute. Drizzle fresh desi cow's ghee. Flip the dosa. Crispy and crunchy, protein-rich dosa is ready to serve. Serve with any chutney of your choice. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.